and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshata and you are watching Akshata's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, let's start with today's recipe. Now the first thing I'm going to make is the stuffing or the cutlet that we put inside the Frankie. So here I have 2 medium-sized potatoes boiled and mashed. This is 1 inch of ginger grated. This is 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, the juice of half a lemon. This is 1 teaspoon of garam masala, some chopped up coriander and some salt. So now I'm just going to add all of the ingredients to the mashed up potatoes. All ingredients with the exact measurements will be in the description box below. So mix everything nicely together. I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder, about a teaspoon of red chili powder. And then I'm just going to form these into croquettes like this. Now boiling the potatoes, I put them in my pressure cooker for 1 whistle on high, and I simmered it for about 5 minutes and let the cooker completely cool. And then when the potatoes were nice and had come to room temperature, I then peeled them and mashed them. Now you can make these Frankies and keep them aside and fry them when you're ready to make the Frankie or the cutlets rather. So then you're just going to shallow fry them. These are nice and golden brown in color, and then keep them aside. Now we're going to make the roti. So I've taken about 1 cup of maida, and I've added a little bit of salt and a little bit of water and just kneaded it to a very smooth and flexible dough. Now you can use whole wheat and make normal rotis or chapatis or puris that we make, but I just wanted to give it a try with the maida roti. Then I'm going to divide this into 4 parts, 4 equal parts, and make them and roll them out into smooth balls and set them aside. And I have a little water with a little bit of dry maida. I've got my pan heating up. I'm just going to roll this out like I would with a normal chapati or puri. Then I'm going to place it on the tawa. Put some water on it with the, brush some water on to the top of it. Let it cook. Then turn it over. Let it cook on the other side too. And then I'm just going to put it on the gas top directly and heat it up like you would with a bhakri. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit of butter and brush it on like this. So you can make all the rotis and keep them aside, and then we're just going to assemble the Frankie. So for that I am going to put 2 cutlets or 2 croquettes in the middle. I'm going to just smash it down a bit. I'm going to add a chopped up, very finely chopped up onions. Now you get this ready-made Frankie Masala. Just sprinkle some of that on top. And then I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lime and a little bit of grated cheese. And then you're just going to roll it up. And you can cut it up in the center because then it becomes much easier to eat it. And that's it, friends. Your Frankies are all ready. I'll show you one more.
So this is a light breakfast item or a light brunch item. Like I said, you can use whole wheat also. I generally make it with whole wheat, but this time I used the maida. And then just cut it up and your Frankies are all ready to enjoy.
So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's Recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.